In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zendesk for both end users, who are your customers, and support agents. Zendesk is a comprehensive customer service solution, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation to get started with managing customer interactions effectively. First, let's begin by heading over to the Zendesk website. This is the gateway to accessing the tools and features that Zendesk offers. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Now click on sign in to proceed to the login page. You'll need to enter your email and password to access your account, so make sure you have those credentials handy. After entering your details, click on sign in again. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zendesk dashboard. This is where you manage all your customer and support team interactions. To start setting up customers, click on the customer icon. This icon usually looks like a small user avatar. Clicking it will direct you to a section where you can manage customer profiles. Next, you'll want to add a new customer profile. You'll find an add customer option here, typically marked by a plus sign or a clear label. Click on it, and a form will appear asking for your customer's name and email address. Enter these details carefully, as they are essential for future correspondence and ticketing. Now that we've got our customers in place, let's manage a ticket. Back on the dashboard, look for the option to create a new ticket, often labeled as plus new ticket. Clicking this will open a ticket form where you can begin crafting your support case. One critical part of this process is assigning the ticket to the right person. You'll find an assignee field where you can select support to indicate that you're assigning it to your support team. You'll then need to select the specific agent you want to handle the case. With the ticket assigned, let's fine-tune it with some additional details like tags, type, and priority. This organization helps in sorting and addressing tickets efficiently based on urgency and category. Locate the sections labeled tags, type, and priority and fill them out according to the nature of the support request. Finally, every ticket needs a subject and of course a public reply. In the subject field, try to succinctly describe the issue at hand, like issue with sign-in. This helps anyone reviewing the ticket understand the problem at a glance. In the public reply, you'll address the customer's issue directly. This will be the content that the customer sees as a response to their inquiry, so make sure it is clear and helpful. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've set up Zendesk to manage both customer interactions and support requests efficiently. Remember that this platform is designed to streamline communication and support processes, so take advantage of its features. Thanks for watching, and happy customer service.